Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at another After Effects tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up a clip in After Effects. Alright, if you haven't as yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure that you do like, comment, and turn on your notification bell, alright, so that you can get the latest videos that we put out. Alright, so it's very easy to speed up a clip in After Effects. Now what I'm going to show you now is that we have the clip right here. Alright, I'm just going to play it. Alright, so we have the clip that we want to speed up. Okay, now it is very simple, and let me show you how to speed it up. Okay, so we're going to first select the clip, then we're going to right click, then we're going to go up until we see time, and right after we see time we're going to go over until we see time stretch. When you click on time stretch, all right, now this is showing you that the original length of the clip is 15 seconds. All right, and this is the stretch factor. Now the stretch factor is basically, it is telling After Effects how much frames basically After Effects need to stretch the video to, and by them stretching it or reducing it, that gives the effect. All right, so it is currently at 100. So if I reduce this number to something like 30, if you realize right here it says the new duration is now 4 seconds. So we're moving from the original duration, which was 15, to 4 seconds. So basically the video is basically speed up. All right, once we click OK, as you can see, the video gets shorter. Because the video gets shorter, this is basically speed up. All right, so once you click on it, you just basically gonna press the space bar, and just like that you have a clip in After Effects that was speed up. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please ensure that you subscribe, like, and comment. All right.